What is up, y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Carrie. I am out in Jarrell, Texas, checking out a new construction builder called Century Communities. We're going to check out their model home, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,600 square foot home. You're going to love it. And then we're also going to go check out some of their inventory homes as well, so you'll see some different floor plans. But y'all come on inside. Let's check it out. Let's get it. Alrighty, so this model home is called the Hudson, and it is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it is 1,600 square feet. And so right when you come in, you have your mud area here. You can put your shoes, hang your purses, and other things like that. And then as you come in, you have your laundry room. So this door would be the garage, and you will come straight into your laundry room, okay? So clearly, you can put full-size washer and dryer in here, plenty of space. And then you have a closet. Of course, you can hang some things as well in there, especially when guests come over, you need some extra space. So let's check out the rest. You do see they have the tile flooring in here, but they do have the laminate flooring also available. So this is just the model home. Y'all can just check it out just to kind of see what they are featuring. I will kind of touch on this later. The cabinets are not the same cabinets that they are offering now. They are a little bit lower, and they're not offering this backsplash, but in the model, you will be able to see that, okay? Now, let's go into the first bedroom. They have this staged as an office, but it is a bedroom because it has a closet. It's a nice size closet too. So this is bedroom number 1. Again, this is the Hudson, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 story, and 1,600 square feet. So here we are in the living room, nice size living room. This is a great, I feel like a great starter home for a family, especially if you want that extra bedroom. A lot of people are working from home, so you could use that front room as an office, right? It's away from everything. I think that would be great. Now let's go down this hallway. Let's check out what they got over here. So you got another closet, and then you have your second bedroom, all right? Again, this is the model, so you're gonna see, you know, of course it's staged. Some of this is upgrades, right? You got your different type of wall there, which I like that. And then you do have another full-size closet in here. So I like this. All right. And then you have your first bathroom over here. Full-size bathroom. Check that out. And then we're gonna go into the third bedroom here. You got the bunk beds in this one. And then another full-size closet. I'll go inside so you can kind of see the depth of it. Okay. Now let's make our way into the kitchen. And so, like I said earlier, the cabinets, they're not offering those anymore as far as like the height of them. I think these are 42 and they're only offering 36 right now. And then they're also not offering the backsplash anymore. But at least you can see it. It can be an upgrade and something that you can discuss with them. And so check this out. We have the quartz island here. Nice size. You can sit 3 people there. And maybe even on the corner over there as well. You have stainless steel appliances. That is a part of the package, okay? And this is nice. Let's open this up. Look at that. Oop, here we go. Check that out. This is nice. And then the bottom. Somebody got some corn dogs in there. All right. And then you have your pantry. Got some shelving there. And then let's move into this area. And then check that out, stainless steel appliances. And then that would lead out back, of course. But this is the model, so there's nothing to see back there. So now let's go check out the primary. So this is a nice size primary. Again, wall, that's an upgrade, but it does look nice. I love those windows. Okay, so check that out. And then we'll go into the primary bathroom. This does have just 1 sink. I am going to talk to them to see if they are offering double vanities as an upgrade, which I'm sure they are. You got your stand-up shower there. You got a closet. And then the primary walk-in closet is here. Check that out. And then another space over there. Now, some of you husbands and wives, don't leave your husband with this, okay? That's not right. All right, and so that is the Hudson. Again, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1-story home, 1,600 square feet. So let's walk back through just so you can get one more look at the floor plan. I'm gonna step back so you can kind of see the depth as well. So let me know in the comments, what was your favorite room or your favorite area that you liked in this home, or even just your favorite feature as well. All right, we're gonna go look at some of the other homes that they have, the inventory homes, so we can check those out. Hey y'all, so I'm standing in the Tadmor, another floor plan that Century Communities offers here in Jarrell, Texas. Now this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,300 square foot home, 1-story, and it does come with a 2-car garage. This is one of their inventory homes, and what does that mean? It means it's available right now. We'll get into pricing when I go back and sit down with Missy, the sales agent, in a little bit, but I really want to tour this home just so you can see what they have available and what they have to offer. So y'all ready? Let's go check this home out. Let's get it. Just finished touring some homes out here with Century Communities. This is Missy. She is the sales agent out here, and I just want her to answer a couple of questions about incentives and things that they're offering out here. So I toured the Tadmor and the Hudson today. So can you kind of talk about what incentives you have for those?
Yeah, so right now Century is a great place to be. We have incentives on all of our move-in ready homes of 6% actually. So the buyer can utilize that 6%. They can buy their rate down if they want to get it down to a 4.875, which is a phenomenal rate, we all know, and still have 3% left over for closing costs assistance. So 6% total to the buyers.
6% total for the buyer. Those are the incentives out here. And then also when we're thinking about what comes with the home, I know you have the standard stainless steel appliances. Any other like features that you want to kind of highlight?
Yeah, so our homes will come with a fully sodded yard, trees and shrubbery in the front. The fencing is included. Yeah, so beautiful homes. Sawstone in the kitchens. 36-inch cabinets. So really beautiful homes.
Awesome. And so what are the price points on these homes?
So we start our 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, which is a little over 1,300 square feet, starts at $254. And then we have a home that goes all the way up to a 2-story plan. 1,850 square feet is our largest 2-story, and that one will be coming in right under the $320 price point.
Okay, awesome. So I checked out 2 of those homes today. Let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you so much, Missy, for allowing me to come out here and tour your beautiful homes. If you're interested, let's connect and let's get on out here and get you under contract. All right, have a good day.
Bye-bye.
All right, y'all. Bonus video. I got to thinking. I said I only toured one-story options today, but I got lots of y'all out there that love a good two-story. Now, me personally, I don't like going up and down the stairs, but I'm gonna go up and down the stairs today for you. And so I came back and I said, let me check out a two-story option. So I'm standing in the Kendall floor plan. It is an inventory home. It is ready to go. It is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, appliance package, 1,800 square feet, and guess what? Right under the $300,000 mark. It's at $298. And then if you heard my girl earlier, Missy, she was talking about 6% incentive. So you can use some of that money to buy down your interest rate to that 4%, and then you can also use the rest towards your closing costs. So guess what? Money in your pockets. And I wish I had a dress that had some pockets. That would be so cute. Anyway, let's get into this floor plan. I'm excited to show it to you. And let me know in the comments, do you like the Tadmor, that starter home, the Hudson, which was that 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom option, which was the model, or do you like this floor plan the best? Let me know in the comments, but let's get into this tour. All right, y'all, so here's the Kendall. Again, it is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-story home. So let's tour the bottom floor first. So nice long hallway when you come in. You do have your garage, nice size, check that out. And then you have your half bath down here. It's great for when you have guests coming over, right? You don't want them in your stuff anyways. And then you got a closet, coat closet, luggage, and they come right into your living room. So check that out. And I love this because it has the vinyl flooring, the laminate flooring throughout. You have your dining room area over here compared to that starter home, that Tadmor that we looked at earlier. So this one is nice and open. You got your white cabinets. Look at that, quartz countertops. You got your stainless steel appliances. You can also go ahead and add your hardware like we talked about in that other home. All right. There's your pantry. This is much bigger. Again, this home is 1,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Put your refrigerator over here. So you can see the difference between that starter home, that Tadmor, and the Kendall already. And then you have a nice large backyard. Check that out. And then we'll go upstairs. Again, let me know in the comments, which one do you like the best? Kendall, Tadmor, or that Hudson? And again, that Hudson, that one is staged, so you can see, a little bit differently with that one. But everybody that is a visualizer, all right? Y'all can pretty much see, okay, I can put my furniture here. But let me know which floor plans you like the best, and let's go upstairs. Alrighty, y'all, so I made it upstairs. I done climbed these stairs for you folks that love the 2-story. So let's check it out up here. All right, so you have a closet here with some shelving. So all bedrooms and the laundry room are upstairs. So check that out. You do have some shelving up there. All right. Now this is the primary. We're gonna look at that last. But look how you have a hallway that leads to the other bedrooms. So let's check out this bedroom, bedroom number 1. Check that out. Let's go see how big this closet is. I like this, how it's like set off over here. All right. Cool. So this is bedroom 1. Again, this is 4 bedrooms. You do have extra closet space as well. Let's check out bedroom number 2. Nice window. Check that out. Nice size closets. All right, and bedroom number 3. Over here. It's a nice size closet over here for bedroom number 3 with the window. Alrighty, and then let's check out the guest bathroom. Check. What up? Here we go, we got your sink, your standard bathroom, as we saw on like the Tadmor. All right, and now let's walk over here. Again, I really do like how they have the primary set aside over here. Nice size, check that out. And you can see the difference between looking at that Tadmor or that Hudson. You can see the difference in the bedroom sizes. All right, now let's check out the primary bathroom. There's your stand-up shower. The loo. And then you got some extra closet space here, which is great. And then your walk-in closet. Let's check that out. Oh yeah, I love this. Nice and spacious. Alrighty. So again, this is the Kendall floor plan. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,800 square feet, 2-story home that Century Communities has. It is right under that $300,000 mark. You get that 6% closing costs. I mean, you can't go wrong, all right? Check that out. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about Century Communities and what I showed y'all today? I'm excited, but it is time for me to wrap this up. It's your girl, Dr. Carrie. Y'all stay blessed, stay anchored. Until next time.